Mr. Venkatesh Vijayaraghavan, the CEO of Airtel, and all the other dignitaries from Airtel, and all the friends from media. Wonderful morning to all of you. This is a wonderful new step in achieving what we have set out to in over the last 3 months. I've been talking about this for a while, the whole idea of Wi-Fi enablement for the city of Hyderabad. So what we are launching today is essentially only the first phase of it. Now Wi-Fi is being launched with the support of Airtel in about 17 points in the IT corridor, predominantly from Madhapur until the Kottaguda junction, which is part of the IT corridor as well. The idea is this, as Sunita just mentioned, in today's world where connectivity matters, where agility matters, I think our people, our citizens should have access to the best possible services, and especially in today's world where mobile governance, e-governance, and anything that has anything to do with Internet of Things is being talked about in a big fashion. We are looking at the possibility of ensuring that more and more digital connectivity develops and that citizens can actually give wonderful feedback to the government as well, help us guide us in improving our functioning, and also at the same time, in this revolution of e-commerce that is sweeping through the country and the world, we are looking at the possibility of also developing more and more mobile-based e-commerce solutions as well. So we want to, as a part of the drive to encourage entrepreneurship, as a part of the drive to ensure more digital connectivity is achieved, I think this goes a long way, and I congratulate Airtel for what they've done. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. We are now, with Airtel coming forward, we are now enabling about 17 access points. With about 17 access points, we're enabling a part of Hyderabad. This is only a pilot, really, if you talk about the entire city. Now, eventually, we'll get to the stage where the entire city definitely is covered through Wi-Fi connectivity, and we're already floating tenders in that direction. By in the next few days, I think the tenders should be floated, and once that is done, we'll definitely ensure, as we had promised, that the entire city is connected. But interestingly enough, while we are talking about Wi-Fi, while we are talking about enablement of Wi-Fi in a city like Hyderabad, recently when Metropolis had happened, during the course of the day, I had the opportunity to interact with several mayors from several different cities across the world. And the one thing that really struck me, I was having a discussion with the mayor of Johannesburg, Mr. Park Stow. Very, very interestingly, he mentioned what was called Li-Fi. I was telling him about our initiative to actually convert Hyderabad into a Wi-Fi zone, and he comes back at me and he tells me, what sort of technology are you using? I said, we'd either use radio frequency, or we'd either go with the existing service providers and ensure that the entire city is covered. He said, have you heard of Li-Fi? I was surprised, I was taken aback. Then I looked up, actually. I tried to understand a bit about it from him. And when I came back home, I actually looked it up. Now, while we are talking about 3Gs and 4Gs, the world has moved ahead. The world is talking about 5th generation, the 5G services, where through LED light and through the emissions of that LED, through the emissions of LED, you can actually transmit and create a network. That is the concept of 5G. And the world has already moved on, the world is already considering it very actively. So what we are doing today is definitely something that excites me, definitely something that is in the right direction, but the world is actually moving ahead. While we are still waiting for 4G services to be launched in Hyderabad and India, the world is already talking about 5th generation. So long distance, we have a long way to travel. We definitely have a lot to cover, a lot of ground to cover, and I look forward to the day when every single citizen of Hyderabad and every single citizen of India, through the whole mission of Digital India, Digital Telangana and Digital Hyderabad, is connected with its government, is connected to the internet to access the best of services, to access the best of products, to assess, to evaluate, to improve one's own lifestyle. Once again, I congratulate Airtel for actually coming forward and in tandem with us for launching this wonderful initiative. This is just the beginning, as I said. This is just the beginning. We have a long way to go. We'll cover the entire city of Hyderabad, and as I said, with emerging technologies, I think we have more and more work to do. Once again, congratulations to Airtel, for this wonderful initiative, and I appreciate them for finishing it up so fast. Once again, thanks.